We wanted to organize this brief press point to inform you that the Commission has just adopted a communication setting out our assessment of Spain's compliance with the Council recommendation of the 10th of July for the correction of its excessive deficit related obviously to its public finances. We know that Spain is currently undergoing a very difficult rebalancing of its economy after many years of unsustainable policies. The government and the Spanish people are making significant efforts to ensure the sustainability of public finances. Yet there are risks to achieve the nominal targets for next year, 2013. They stem partly from an optimistic macroeconomic scenario underlying the 2013 budget and partly from the optimistic projections for social security. The Commission's view is that no further steps in the excessive deficit procedure of Spain are needed at present. However, the measures announced so far for 2014 fall short of what is required by the revised Council recommendation, and therefore we will of course closely monitor budgetary developments and look forward to seeing the concrete details of the fiscal measures for 2014 shortly.